how are you? So happy Ram Navami to all of you. In this video I am going to teach you how you can easily shade the face of Arun Govil, and already I have given the outline video. If you did not watch that, you can access it from I button or from description, as well as from home also you can have that video. And today I will do one thing, I will just shade it. So let's start. So first of all I am taking this darker brown color pencil or bone sienna color, and I am just giving the outline shade. Observe it very carefully. So let's start. Now take the next tone of the brown color, which is lighter than the previous one, and try to give the next layer. Now take the next lighter tone and give one more layer. Now take the black color and try to give the details, primary details on the face. Any color pencil to give the iris color. Now it's time for blending. So take the white pencil and try to blend all the colors. Take a cream color pencil and try to give one more layer. Now take a red color pencil. Here I have selected a light red color. Now take the dark red color and give one more coat at the side lines. This area has a skin tone, and that's why I am using this light brown color to fill. Now take the brown color, dark brown color, and give one more coat. Now take the light brown color and once again recreate the same things. Now take the black color pen and try to get the details on the nostrils. Now the medium darker tone of the brown color once again, and try to give. Now take the pink color and try to draw the bottle line. Okay. Now take the sky blue color and try to create some. Red and black colors along with white colors are used for eyes. Medium brown and light cream color used for blending all over. Now take one black pen and just shade the partition of lip very carefully. Just like this. Now take one black pencil and cover this line. Now take one dark red color and give a tone just on the edges of the lips. Fill the lips with light lip color and blend the color with a pink one and light cream color, just like this. Now give the final touches with brown color pencil. Drawing the hair will be available on next video. So if you are a new subscriber, then subscribe my channel for next part. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye.